Hello, today I thought we would review the Juniper two-car garage with an ADU above. This also has the breezeway. We created before a one-car garage, and so what we wanted to do is just make this a little bit wider, so it's 32 feet wide by 24 feet. And downstairs, this just becomes a two-car garage. You can still walk in and through this connector. If you attach it to your house, you would have another door here and then connect it through this breezeway. So what happens with the two-car garage is that it basically functions the same in that we have this back staircase that goes up into the apartment space. This is a one bedroom instead of a studio. We've got this closet and then bench acting as a mudroom entry. And then you can see a full bath here with a bench. And then as we walk in, we can see the kitchen is right in the middle, open with seating. We get a little table in here. And then good amount of seating in the living room as well. And then we can just jump through this wall because we're like magic. And this is a good size bedroom with a king size bed and then two really deep full closets that go back into here. This also could be storage that you can either get through this closet. So anyway, it's a great project. It's perfect for those people who need extra income, want extra income. Their children have grown and gone and maybe come back again, or friends. I think it's a great classic design. So let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.